it's me Nyrelle here, and welcome back to yet another package unboxing video. This was the one I was expecting, so this week is just going to be filled with unboxing videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it because I enjoy opening packages I get from my friends. So a few little disclaimers about this person. They don't want any of their information shared in this video. The only thing I can really say is they go by the name BluegreenFishey on YouTube, so I will put their links down below if you want to follow them. I respect people's wishes and I'm happy they respect mine. So yes, but can't I just say how neat their handwriting is? Like, oh my word. And I thought it was super sweet that they put this here because when I'm at work, I get compliments every day with people saying thank you for being here and servicing us because you don't have to do it. So I thought that was really sweet for them to put that there. And this is so cute. Look at that. It's so adorable. So they requested for me to dump everything out this package, and I'm like, okay, this is new, so you guys are gonna have my first time in this video, and I'm like kind of scared, but we're gonna get through this together. I got my crafty scissors because I can't find my regular scissors, so hopefully this goes well. And it states, please do not bend me. Yes. And you have such cute washi tape. Oh my gosh, look at that flamingos. Yay, it's actually working. My brother actually tried to open a chip bag with these and it just didn't work. But apparently it works on paper. So in a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Ooh. Ooh. Is that it? Is that it? Ah! Okay. That's it. I was hoping I didn't miss anything. But look at that. What? That's the paper is so cute. So this is the second one. This is the note. I can guess. This is the note. And this is the first ones. And I like how you have it color coordinated. So, yes. And there's all the flamingos. No wonder why they wanted me to dump it out. Because it's all the flamingos. So what I see is please do not read on camera. Thank you. So I'm going to pause you guys and read this letter off camera. And then get back to the goodies in which you guys and me want to see. So hold on. Oh my gosh. That letter was so... Ooh! Thank you. Thank you. I'm not going to comment anything else about it, but it really tugged at my heartstrings. So I'm going to try to not ruin the envelope because they decorated it so cutely. So I'm going to put it over here because I love keeping all my notes, as you guys know that. I just have a stack of all my friends' notes that I've gotten over the years. So I'm going to move number 2 over here to the side, and we're going to open number 1 together. I'm trying to save this flamingo washi tape. Trying to save it. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to save it, nor this tissue paper, but you know what? I'm going to try after the recording. I'm going to try. Look at all the cats. I just love their aesthetic with this. I wish I had an aesthetic with my packages, but I just kind of go with the flow, if you kind of get what I'm saying. So I'm going to put that down here, and I want to flip, and a 1, and a 2, more pretty washi tape, and a 3, and a go. Ooh, okay. All right, here's some of the stickers I have made so far. I hope that you like them. I don't have a store yet, but I hope to soon. I wasn't sure ones you would like, so I sent you some of my favorites. Yay! I hope you like them too. I put them in order I have them made in. I'm actually like blessed that you just send me stickers. Like I love everything people send me, so it doesn't have to be the ones I like because I would love all of them because you're just so sweet enough to send me anything. So I'm so excited. Oh, I'm like literally hurting myself because I'm trying to save the washi tape because your washi is so cute, man. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Trying to pull it out. Okay, so I'm trying not to spoil myself. I'm doing a horrible job at it. Okay, putting that down here. So I think this is cardboard backing. Oh my gosh! This is so neat. This is so neat. I'm sorry. That is neat. I did not expect to see that on the back, but oh my gosh, that's neat. That's neat. So we're gonna start right here. So and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. Oh my gosh! It's a Game Boy holographic sticker. That is Pokemon Silver. I forgot which one. Yeah, it's Silver, because Silver deals with Lugia. I think that's Lugia. I think it is. Yeah, it is Silver. I'm so dumb. It says it on the sticker. But yes! Look at the holo. This is so dope. Like, oh my gosh. I never had a Game Boy. I had a Game Boy Advance. I had a Game Boy Advance, and I had a Game Boy SP, so I was a little bit later in the game. But this is actually really dope. Like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking awesome. So I'm going to lay that there. So 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. It's all the evolution of Gengar. So you have Haunter, you have Ghastly, and you have Gengar. And it says this ghost could not be identified. This is actually really, really cute. Look at that. I don't have that much Pokemon merch, so this is actually such a nostalgia trip. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't understand why you don't have a store, because all your stuff is like legit quality material here. So 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, hand. Work with me. Ah! Okay. I think this Ryoma from Prince of Tennis, because I did a Prince of Tennis commission for her. I swear I think it's Ryoma. I almost said Remoma. But I think it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is their bae, Ryoma. It is so cute. So cute. So cute. And the last one is it's Pikachu. It is Pikachu surfing. I actually have a Pikachu journal where I can put this because the more Pikachu, the better. This is so dope. Like, oh my gosh, I love the Pokemon aesthetic here, and I love the Prince of Tennis babe here. Oh my gosh, and your stickers are so awesome. I cannot wait for you to get your shop, because I will be the first customer. So please check them out. I will link their Instagram down below. So these are so cute. So cute. So I'm going to move these over very carefully. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on top of my Yu-Gi-Oh deck box. So anyways, we're getting to the last little meal, and I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this because it's so cute. It's so cute. So we're going to try to carefully open this. I've been doing such a good job by doing this. Come on. Work with me here. And I ripped it. No! And I see some Frosted Flakes backing. I honestly am thinking about using cereal boxes to be my cardboard backing, because this is such a neat idea. Like, honestly, it's such a neat idea. Alrighty. Alright. Oof. Okay. So I'm going to move this over here. Alright. And I gotta unfold it again. Okay. I'm trying to see if I'm opening up the right way. because I don't want to spoil myself too early. Okay, I can open it like this. Ah, yay, 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 yay! I opened it successfully. All right. So it states, I covered it with Post-it notes to avoid spoilers because I know you have them. You know, I know you hate them. Oh my gosh, I cannot read. But yes, I don't like it. Don't like it at all. So I'm so happy and moved that you remember. Because I get so sad when I'm spoiled too soon. So yes. So I have to open this again. Okay. Okay. Try not to bend this. Doing a horrible job. Okay. Try to pull it out with ease. Alrighty, and I see a date which says July 10th to July 11th. So, and it's an original because I can feel the texture of the paper. So we're gonna look at this together. So 1 and 2, phone focus, please. Come on, phone. Come on, phone. Please focus. It doesn't want to focus, but it's okay because you're going to focus today. Come on, phone. There we go. So I know 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. I know you not. I know you did not. I know you did not. I know you did not. Oh. If you guys do not know, my ultimate anime husband is Almine. And I've been slacking on drawing him, loving him. I've been a sad wife to my husband. But I don't know. I didn't draw my tan baby. Almine, look at this. It is so freaking cool. And he looks like a whole snack and 2/3. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And look at the gold. If my phone would focus on it. I know my phone is giving up on life, but it's okay, phone. You can't die yet. There we go. You see that gold? It's reflecting, man. But oh my gosh, I love this so much. I love it. It's so cool. I love my husband. Oh my gosh, you like officially made my day a lot better than it actually was because I get to see my husband. So, thank you so much. I'm gonna lay everything back down. So here is my babe, Almine. Let's see if I can get this down without messing it up. There's all the flamingos on the floor, all the flamingos, all of their Pokemon stickers, and Ryoma from Prince of Tennis. And I have the note sitting off to the side. But thank you so much, BluegreenFishey, for sending me all these lovely goodies. I enjoyed this so much. I love you so much. Like I said, check out their link down below. And my life has been made. My life has been made, hunty. So yes, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.